In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings. Following that, you need to scroll down to access Passwords over here and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. When you're ready, choose Edit button at the top right corner and make all of your changes. When you're ready, hit Done at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!